Elijah.
The R8's back home. Yeah. Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. How does it look?
Looking good from the outside, at least. Taking it back to the unit. We got all the body parts painted. Once we get back, we're gonna throw it on, and then we'll finally get a better look at how this car looks completed.
Guys, we're 10 minutes away from the shop. The art build was very quick. We just need the front and rear bumpers repainted. The car is very dirty, and this is enough for him to see. You like it?
Ready to go, yeah.
Ready to go? Ready to be rented?
100%.
Oh man. We still have the airbags that are deployed, the front and the steering wheel.
And the uppers.
And the headliner, yeah. Alright guys, let's take a look inside. I know we probably have like a bunch of codes. Look at that. Oh man, we have a Christmas tree of dash lights. Alright guys, we have to let the car warm up a little first, and then we can get some revs in.
Yeah.
That's sweet. It looks
We
good.
gotta make sure that these cars warm up, because V10, we don't want no problems. One time sitting in the passenger seat because the passenger window shattered.
No way. And it's like -4. Look at all that snow. A lot of wind.
Oh yeah, and on top of that, we ain't got seatbelts too, so.
No seatbelts? It's a very, very, very cold day in Canada. Alright, bro, I'll see you later. Guys, check out Manado. So our main goal is to get back to the unit and not try to attract too much tension, because we're not technically supposed to be driving this car.
Not really, it's just beeping at me a lot.
Yeah.
Things okay mechanically
Exactly, yeah,
with the car, because again, this is the first time it's actually driving since the accident.
But no, Limo will put you at 4,000 RPMs. It'll cut your length.
Yeah, that's
thing.
true.
You're not in Limo, bro. You're good.
I don't know, it wasn't really accelerating like it should be.
Because you're in 6th gear right now.
No, I was in 3rd.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm a little bit fearful to put the foot down too.
Exactly, no, 100%. It feels alright.
Yeah.
And that was...
A lot of drag.
That was a lot of drag? Yeah. And that was what? 25% throttle?
30.
Oh yeah, we're back! We're back! Finally, the R is back home. The R is back home. Yeah. Alright guys, the car has gone through a nice car wash with microfiber cloths. Waterless. And already it's already looking beautiful. The paint here really matches with the original paint here.
This is not like a full wash that
Detail.
we did. This is just so that when we're working on the car, we're like, you know, if we touch the paint here and there, we're not dragging the dust,
dirt,
right?
yeah.
Because of course it was at a body shop, so that's like body filler dust and whatnot. That'll really scratch your paint. So we just wiped it off with a nice waterless wash that we know works well at protecting the paint, so that we can make sure that we don't scratch anything else and have to send it back.
You have anything to say, Henry?
No.
I didn't know the full engine bay is carbon fiber. That's a nice touch.
Wow, I cleaned this before it went to the shop, man.
No
That's
way.
all the dust gets everywhere.
Yeah, guys, look at that dust. You can write your name in it. But the car is so warm. I really don't know why. You're saying it's a V10, eh?
It's a V10 and we ripped it.
current time is like 10:30 in the morning, and I actually have online school, so I gotta get my laptop from the truck.
Big chillin'.
Big chillin', eh?
Yeah, you already know the vibes.
So apparently the Ghost has a coolant issue, right?
It's got a coolant issue. It's got a pipe with special fittings on it, so we cannot make one.
Okay.
You're gonna have to get it actually from Grand Touring. Order that in from the UK.
Is there a code on the dash?
There is not,
Let's see what it says on the dash, though.
but it is leaking coolant very heavily.
Rapidly, profusely is a better word.
Even better like that.
Oh, I didn't start it properly. Let's see. It says vehicle info. Oh, there you go. So that's the code that we're currently fighting right now. I'm about to shut off the car, but we're heading to Grand Touring in Vaughan Mills. Vaughan, right?
Yep.
And that's like a 20-minute drive, I think.
Well, first we have to go pick up Saini from.
No, that guy?
Oh my God.
Screw that guy, bro.
I know, right?
Good old-fashioned car spotting. This is a pink Bentley, pretty sick, with the W12 version. Pretty baller.
So on another note, tell us what we're doing today there, bud.
Installing the front and rear bumper of the R8.
Alright, hold on. You're telling us today what we're doing.
Yeah. We're gonna start with the parking sensors that I have in my pocket.
You've watched us enough that you should know this.
Now it's your turn.
And you're gonna install the bumper. You're gonna
Okay. So
assemble it and install it on the car.
we're not
and then we'll
installing the
see.
front bumper.
And we're gonna see how much of the process he's actually learned spending time with us.
It's gonna be nothing.
Alright, well I'll give you this hint. Those parking sensors are for the rear bumper.
Yeah. So are we gonna install them first or what?
If you say so, then go for it.
Alright. Looks like a quick plug and play. So let's go for it.
So I'm gonna teach him a little something. Come.
Alright.
So those parking.
So now that we've tried his route,
those parking sensors have to go on the
Bumper first.
which has the wiring harness.
Okay.
And then
Makes
we'll go
sense.
from there. So here, let me move the front bumper. And that's the rear.
Should I take the tape off of these things?
What? Does that bother you?
No.
Parking sensors go in here.
Oh.
Yep.
Doesn't matter which one. No?
alright, let me help him out a little bit. You see these holes right here?
Which
What goes in there?
Okay. The kidney grills.
Kidney grills. Kidney grills. I didn't know we're working on a BMW here.
Let's put the face cover in, and then if it makes it easier. Did we drop off the bumper completed or no?
Emotion mode.
You gotta help me out with this one. I have no idea what I'm doing here.
Yo, you guys smell that? It smells like shit.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm
I swear I showered.
Elijah. I think someone let out a little toot.
Nah, I've been smelling it. I smell my own clothes and it's like, it's not me. I promise.
doing.
Which one of y'all didn't shower today?
I showered.
I definitely
I
showered
showered
this
last night and I showered this morning. So
I showered before I came here too.
I don't know who agreed.
But is someone not telling the truth? Find a pattern of screws first. Elijah finally gets the grills in and the O-rings around the parking set. These are the rear grills,
Okay.
the aesthetic grills. Because if you remember in the old R8s, I believe the tail lights were long, right?
Yeah.
And so they updated the look and they added the grills in and they skinnied up the tail lights.
What's next? Oh, the exhaust
The
tips.
exhaust tips.
Alright, so out of nowhere, the rear exhaust tips are all screwed in. Are they? Yeah?
Just aligning them up and then we'll be ready to.
Are they flush?
Yeah.
They don't sit flush. They have a little gap here, right?
No, yeah, they don't sit flush, of course, because they're gonna get hot, right?
Yeah.
Oh, just
Alright, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at what's her name?
Don't say
Coolant leak.
No way.
It's find where it came from.
and it looks like we may have stumbled upon an oil leak as well.
No way.
Because that's oil or like hydraulic fluid, one of the two.
You know
On
what,
the
let's
thing.
lower it. Let's take this wheel off so we can actually access it more.
Yeah.
Because there's a coolant leak that we can't see, so we're hoping that when the car is on, I can see it
It'll,
underneath.
yeah.
You know what'll get it going? Couple revs.
What?
Couple revs.
Give it a rev, but then not like, don't put it on drive. This guy. Send it.